Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to give a quick little Sarracenia tour here. Not really I'm going through any of the names or anything, just like I was just doing some watering and some maintenance in here today, and there's some pretty cool stuff coming out. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys some stuff here and do a little bit of a tour. So we'll start over here. That's a nice one here. I'm going to zoom you in a little bit. That's really nice. Stuff is just like starting to really color up. I have short ones at the front, but there's some nice ones at the back. Lots of greens in this section. That's going to be a nice plant there. And there's one at the back here that's like solid green, but like a black or dark red like lip to it, just slightly. This one here's got a wicked back to it. Some reds in here. That's a nice solid red, very dark. This one just shot up. That's looking nice. It's pretty freshly open, so we'll have to see what that's gonna look like. There's a few nice ones in this area here. You are like quite zoomed in, but still be able to see some nice stuff. Some nice patterns on those ones. And another nice dark one there. This dark one, I don't know if you're gonna see it on camera, but it's got some white spots in it, and on the lid is some nice white spots. I sprayed it with water, so it's not so it's not showing quite so much now, but yeah, really nice plant. That's nice back there too, very colorful. This one over here, I've been keeping my eye on this one. It's a monster. Even when the pictures are half this size, the orifice of that mouth is crazy compared to another one. Like, look at this. Or even this guy. The mouth on that guy is just huge. So yeah, lots of colorful things coming up though. We'll just keep moving over slowly. A few thousand purpurea. Some nice ones in here. Lots of anther-free. Some with some nice patterns. Some solid reds. And even as the lighting changes over here, so it's not quite as easy to see them, unfortunately. The lighting's not in the tank anymore. But some nice looking plants here. Hopefully you're going to be able to see some of that. The lips on these guys is just so dark, and the white and the red veins really stands out. This one is getting pretty tall. It just popped. Some nice white veins, or no, nice white tops there. Very dark mouths on some of these guys. The whole batch turned out pretty stunning, actually. Like, there is so many nice plants in here, even at a small size. Very beautiful stuff. Some nice flavas here. Very dark. So these are under lights. They're going to be, this is as premium as these guys will ever look, right? They're as dark as they're ever going to be. Even though they're tiny, I'd love to see them this dark, like when they're bigger. Some other nice ones over here. That one has like near black veins to it. Let's check that out. The veins look as dark as they look on camera. Very dark. Very nice. I see a Sarracenia minor like popping up in there. Looking good. Lots of windows in that. Yeah, I'll zoom me back out. I'm really into like the oranges and reds over on this side now. But lots of good stuff happening. I don't know how many seedlings are actually here, but if I had to guess, I'm gonna guess close to 10,000. Anyways, just a little Sarracenia seedling tour. And yeah, ooh, here's a, out of like, this is how rare some of these anthophyres are. Out of 10,000 seedlings, I have maybe 2 like moriais or leucophilas that are truly anthophyre. Lots of purpureas, but not so much the rest. So anyways, I hope you like this quick little tour. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, thanks for watching.